Today, we're going to talk about one of the most inspiring women in the history of science, Marie Curie. Marie Curie was a Polish-born physicist and chemist who made groundbreaking contributions to the fields of physics and chemistry, particularly in the area of radioactivity. She was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize, and she remains the only person to have won Nobel Prizes in two different fields, physics and chemistry. Marie Curie was born in Warsaw, Poland in 1867 to a family of intellectuals. She was a brilliant student from an early age and excelled in math and science. However, as a woman, she faced many obstacles in pursuing her education and career in science. Despite these challenges, she earned her degree in physics in 1893 from the Sorbonne in Paris, where she met her future husband, Pierre Curie. In 1891, Marie and Pierre moved to Paris to continue their studies at the Sorbonne. Marie faced many challenges as a foreign student, particularly as a woman in a male-dominated field. However, she persevered and earned her degree in physics in 1893. Marie's research focused on radioactivity, a phenomenon that was still poorly understood at the time. She and Pierre worked together to isolate and study radioactive elements, and their research led to the discovery of two new elements, polonium and radium. And their research led to the development of new medical treatments, including radiation therapy for cancer. In 1903, Marie and Pierre were awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for their work on radioactivity. Marie became the first woman to win a Nobel Prize, and she was only 36 years old at the time. Marie's work had a profound impact on the field of physics and beyond. Her research on radioactivity led to the development of new medical treatments, including radiation therapy for cancer. She also founded the Curie Institutes in Paris and Warsaw, which remain major centers for medical research today. Marie Curie was not only a brilliant scientist, but also a pioneer for women in science. She faced many challenges as a woman in a male-dominated field, but she persevered and paved the way for future generations of female scientists. In 1911, Marie won her second Nobel Prize, this time in chemistry, for her work on the isolation of pure radium. She remains the only person to have won Nobel Prizes in two different fields. Pioneering work on X-rays. During World War I, Marie Curie and her husband Pierre Curie pioneered the use of X-rays in medicine. They developed mobile X-ray units which were used to diagnose and treat wounded soldiers. Their work laid the foundation for the use of X-rays in medical imaging and diagnostics. Isolation of radioactive elements. Marie Curie and her husband isolated and characterized several radioactive elements, including polonium and radium. They developed methods for extracting and purifying these elements, which were previously unknown. Their work led to a greater understanding of radioactivity and its applications in medicine and industry. Development of radiation therapy. Marie Curie's work on radioactivity led to the development of radiation therapy for cancer treatment. She recognized that radioactive substances could be used to kill cancer cells, and she worked to develop methods for delivering radiation to tumors. Her work laid the foundation for modern radiation oncology. Tragically, Marie Curie died in 1934 from aplastic anemia, a condition caused by her long-term exposure to radioactive materials. She was just 66 years old. Despite her untimely death, Marie Curie's legacy lives on. She remains an inspiration to scientists and women around the world, and her work continues to have a profound impact on our understanding of the universe. Thank you for watching. We hope you've learned something new about this amazing woman and her groundbreaking contributions to science. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos about fascinating people and topics.